How to share where you are traveling to on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of launch the Facebook application on your device over here. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and as I logged into your account, tap on the What's on Your Mind section over here at the top. As you tap on it, all you have to do is just scroll down and tap on the option of feelings/activity. So as you tap on it, you'll get the option of feelings and activities over here. Now, since we want to share where we are traveling to, we have to tap on the activities section. So tap on activities, and here you can see the option of traveling to. So tap on traveling to, and you'll get different options of the locations. So you can just select on any of these options over here. So here I'm just gonna select a random option. So let's select any of these and then tap on post, and you'll be able to share where you are traveling to on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.